Step into the vibrant world of student living at Forest Rise, where an exceptional experience awaits you in the heart of Loughborough. This popular student accommodation offers a diverse selection of stylish studios and shared apartments, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every student. Every room comes with a cozy bed, study desk, and spacious wardrobe for all your belongings. Enjoy the convenience of free high-speed Wi-Fi, catering to both your academic and entertainment needs. Stay active and healthy by utilizing the property's gym facilities. And the best part, all bills are included in the rent, eliminating any worries about additional expenses. Nestled in a central location, Forest Rise places you within easy reach of academic hubs like Loughborough College and Loughborough University, making it your ideal student heaven. Beyond the property's four walls, Forest Rise promises a lively social life with exciting activities. Explore popular restaurants and bars just a stone's throw away. Brown's Lane Restaurant beckons within a 6-minute walk, while Queen's Park Cafe invites you for a delightful cup of cappuccino, a mere 10-minute stroll from the property. Forest Rise sets the stage for a student living experience that's both dynamic and delightful. Secure your spot at amberstudent.com today.